Okay, everyone, this is number 13 from our study guide for Math 7C. So you'll want to refer to that or just pause your screen so that you can read this, okay? So what I did is I just took some notes of the key information, and I'm going to use this to write my two equations. So part A wants us to write our system of equations. So the first one is going to be with regard to people, and the second one with money. So for people, the number of children plus the number of adults is equal to 2,200. And then for money, it's $1.50 per child and $4 per adult. And that total is $5,050. So one of the ways, probably this is definitely going to be a little easier for us right now using substitution. So what I did is I solved this one for A. So A is equal to 2,200 minus C. Okay, so then we can take this and substitute it in place of A in this equation. I used a calculator and did this ahead of time, and I would recommend that as we do this, you pause and do some of the calculations yourself. So let's substitute this in place of A in the other equation. Don't forget your parentheses. Okay. Now you want to make sure you distribute the 4 to both terms, giving us 1.5C plus 8,800 minus 4C. Don't forget to distribute that 4 to the C as well. Then we simplify this, and we're going to end up with a negative coefficient of C, so negative 2.5C plus 8,800 equals 5,050. Now, just for the sake of time and space, I'm going to tell you to pause here and solve this equation. And then when you come back, the answer will magically be here. So I ended up with C equals 1,500. So that means 1,500 children. Now I know from back up here that the children plus adults is equal to 2,200. So you, of course, will pause again and substitute 1,500 in place of C to get the number of adults. So 1,500 plus A equals 2,200. Solve it yourself, please. A is equal to 700. So here's my two answers. You want to make sure that you show your solution as 1,500 children and 700 adults. The question does also tell you to check your answer. So you should plug these numbers into both equations and make sure it works in both situations. Have a great day.